So we're gearing up for a very exciting time in crypto. Alt season, banana zone, time where assets go on huge runs to the upside and frankly don't look back for a while. Now, this is not a guarantee, this is not financial advice, but there are experts that are projecting that these two coins are going to skyrocket still here in 2024 as we start to get into these exciting times. And this is actually HBAR and ICP. Now, I have talked about both these coins on my channel before, and I do own ICP. I don't own HBAR. I've been waiting to get HBAR, and actually, frankly, right now looks like a good opportunity. Now, again, people can do what they want. This is not financial advice, but what this is talking about is the AI integration and the real world asset market, a growth paradigm. So it says artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize multiple sectors, pushing companies like NVIDIA and OpenAI to the forefront. The technological leap is paralleled by real world asset market, which is edging closer to $1 trillion potential. So right now, ICP and HBAR are basically well positioned in both these individual sectors. We know about the emergence with real world assets in Hedera itself. They're also starting to dive into some AI dApps, which is kind of interesting. And we know that AI is basically a very big focus when it comes to internet computer in general. So Hedera's infrastructure, characterized by high efficiency, robust security, and minimal transaction fees, provides a fertile ground for AI applications and tokenization of physical assets. So although internet computer experienced a strong launch, we know that we went on this big retracement with the FTX debacle, right? And despite this, it remains a pivotal player in the quest to decentralize the conventional client-server model, thereby fostering Web3 development. ICP's architecture is designed for a swift application deployment and supports AI models effectively. If its current efforts converge successfully, ICP could become a key enabler in tokenizing real-world assets as well. So both of these chains are starting to kind of double dip. All right, they're double dipping into these sectors that are well positioned to see a lot of new retail capital hit the space. And both of these coins, frankly, right now, I think are very undervalued for what they provide. When we look at what HBAR is at, you guys can see that it is basically down in pre-bull market prices. All right. That is a huge opportunity for accumulation. Huge discounts from what we saw here when we went on our massive spike, obviously with the announcement of, I'm trying to remember what was, it was a BlackRock fund. That's what it was. It was a BlackRock fund that was tokenized, right? Kind of very interesting stuff. Now, obviously, when we look at ICP as well, it's gone on massive retracements. It looks like it's actually setting kind of a very strong floor right down around this $7 range. You can see it's floating in between this 236 and 382 line on the fib retracement levels. And frankly, both of these, they have very big optics. All right. Not as big as some of the other blue chip assets in the space, but it's not like they're being ignored right now. They have good tech. They're efficient. They're secure. They use very different models than your straight EVM TPS models. All right. Hedera Graph and the canister model when it comes to ICP are very unique in the way that they function, and they function very well. All right. I think at this point, it's tough to say, obviously, if they will become the leaders in the industry, right? But they have the tech to do so. It's all about whether you can get the adoption. That's always the big question, right? Where is adoption going to flock to? Is it going to bring in the new users and new capital to really cement themselves as top 10 coins in the space? And frankly, the tech is there. It's about the follow through. But right now, I believe both these coins are extremely undervalued for what they can do in the space. And part of it is speculation, right? As always, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want to hear if you think that both these coins are set to go on big surges still here in 2024. But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.